Good morning, friends. In my YouTube channel, Advocate Amit Kumar Gupta. Today I am going to discuss a very important case on Section 54B. The name of the case is Income Tax Officer versus Babita Gupta. The matter has been reported in 100 ITR at page number 252 and the matter has been decided by Delhi ITAT. The date of the judgment is 18th October 2022. The facts of the case are like this. The assessee was claiming an exemption of Section 54B. Section 54B says that if an assessee sells an agriculture land and if on that sale any gain arises, then the assessee can claim exemption under Section 54B if the assessee invests the amount to purchase the another agriculture land. The land which was sold by the assessee was purchased in 2000 and this land was purchased by power of attorney. In the year for which this case is related, the assessee sold this agriculture land and to claim the exemption of near about 8 crore rupees invested this amount in to purchase the another agriculture land. The land which was purchased by the assessee was through power of attorney and not by registered sale agreement. But the assessee has taken the possession and from which the assessee has purchased the land, that assessee has duly incorporated that sale into his income tax return and paid the tax accordingly. The assessing officer point was that because the assessee has purchased this land through power of attorney and not through registry, so Section 54B exemption should not be given to the assessee. So on this single ground alone, the assessing officer denied the exemption under Section 54B to the assessee. The assessee moved to the CIT appeal and CIT appeal gave relief to the assessee. That is why the department was before the Honorable Delhi ITAT. Delhi ITAT said that CIT appeal has given the relief to the assessee and there is no infirmity in the order passed by the CIT appeal because the facts and circumstances of the case clearly shows that the agricultural land has been purchased by the assessee. There is no doubt about that. The possession has been given to the assessee and the seller has duly reflected the sale of the land into his income tax return and paid the tax accordingly. So there is no an iota of doubt that the land has not been purchased by the assessee. So only because of the technical ground that the registry is not done and only the power of attorney has been done, the exemption under Section 54B cannot be denied. The purpose of Section 54B is to invest the amount into the new agriculture land, and that purpose has been fulfilled here and all the fact shows that the amount has been invested by the assessee, the possession has been given to the assessee and the seller has duly reflected all the sale consideration into its income tax return and paid the tax accordingly. So Delhi ITAT gave relief to the assessee. Friends, we see in our cases that whenever the exemption provisions are there, the assessing authorities try to drag out the assessee from the exemption provisions only because of some technical grounds. So whenever we are claiming exemption, we should try to avoid these type of arrangements. If you have purchased the land, then you should go for the registry and not for the power of attorney, because the power of attorney can be challenged and the sale deed is the final document which even the courts cannot deny. So there is always a risk of the property also in power of attorney transactions as far as the Benami law is concerned, because sometimes it happens that when you purchase the land through power of attorney, that power of attorney is also not registered or something like that. So whenever the property transactions are done, that should be done through proper sale deed and not through the power of attorney. But in this case, the relief was given to the assessee even when the power of attorney was done, but we should avoid power of attorney transactions. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Income Tax Officer versus Babita Gupta. Thank you friends.